This is how I anneal my brass. $12mm socket for 308 243. Put it in. So it'll almost just get like an orange glow. Show you 243 now. Usually I get the mouth or the neck, a little bit of the shoulder, that changes color a little bit like that. It's usually pretty good after that. I'm going to do this before I reload. Just make sure I don't hurt any of the necks. This is only once fired brass, so it's not that big of a deal. But I like to do it just to get everything on the same playing field, so I know it's only been fired once. And then I fire all the ammo, and then I'll put three reloads, and then I'll anneal them again and resize them all again and everything. That's all there really is to it. Annealing brass. That's it. Thanks for watching.